Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play RimWorld multiplayer. First, you'll need to install a couple of essential mods. Begin by subscribing to the Harmony mod, which is a prerequisite for many other mods. Next, download and install Zetrith's multiplayer mod, typically found on the Steam Workshop. It's crucial that all players have the exact same mods enabled and the same game version to avoid connection issues. This ensures a smooth start to your shared colony adventure. Once your mods are set up, one player will need to host the game. Launch RimWorld and navigate to the main menu, where you'll find a new multiplayer option. Select Host and then configure your game settings, including a password if you want to restrict access. You can connect via Steam, which is often the easiest, or by sharing your IP address for a direct connection. Remember, port forwarding 30,502 UDP might be necessary for direct IP connections. For those joining a game, the process is straightforward. From the RimWorld main menu, select Multiplayer and then choose the Join option. If your friend is hosting through Steam, you can usually join directly from your Steam friends list. Otherwise, you'll need to enter the host's IP address. Don't forget to input the correct server password if the host has set one, ensuring you can successfully connect to their colony. Playing RimWorld multiplayer is a fantastic cooperative experience. To maximize your fun, coordinate actions, and share resources effectively with your teammates. Communication is key, so utilize in-game chat or voice communication for strategic planning. It's also highly recommended to save your game frequently. This helps prevent any potential data loss from desyncs or connection issues, keeping your shared colony thriving through all challenges.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.